Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mini Cooper's tire pressure light. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to turn off that pesky warning. We'll cover initial checks, the reset procedure, and what to do if the light stays on. Keeping your tire pressure correct is crucial for safety and vehicle performance, so let's get started and ensure your Mini is running smoothly. Before attempting a reset, it's vital to check all your tires. Make sure each tire is inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, which you can usually find on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb or in your owner's manual. A visual inspection for any damage or punctures is also a good idea. Addressing any actual pressure issues first is key to a successful reset. To perform the reset, turn your Mini's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Depending on your model, you'll typically use the BC button on the turn signal stalk to navigate through the onboard computer menu. Find the tire pressure monitor or flat tire monitor option, then press and hold the BC button to select Reset. Once initiated, drive your Mini for a few minutes to allow the system to recalibrate. After driving, confirm that the tire pressure warning light has turned off. If it remains illuminated, recheck all tire pressures and repeat the reset procedure. Sometimes, a persistent light can indicate a faulty sensor or a slow leak, which may require professional attention. Regular tire pressure checks are essential for your Mini's safety and performance, so make them a routine habit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.